10 Canine Commandments. 1. My life is likely to last 10 to 15 years. Any separation from you will be painful to me. Remember that before you buy me. 2. Give me time to understand what you want from me. 3. Place your trust in me. It is crucial to my well-being. 4. Don't be angry with me for long, and don't lock me up as punishment. You have your work, your entertainment, and your friends. I only have you. 5. Talk to me sometimes. Even if I don't understand your words, I understand your voice when it is speaking to me. 6. Be aware that however you treat me, I never forget it. 7. Remember before you hit me. I have teeth that could easily crush the bones of your hand, but I choose not to bite you. 8. Before you scold me for being uncooperative, obstinate, or lazy, ask yourself if something might be bothering me. Perhaps I'm not getting the right food, or I've been out in the sun too long, or my heart is getting old and weak. 9. Take care of me when I get old. You too will grow old. 10. Go with me on difficult journeys. Never say, I can't bear to watch it, or let it happen in my absence. Everything is easier for me if you are there. Remember that I love you.